Be right back. Y'all wait right here. Y'all ain't got no choice. Where y'all gonna go? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Bean, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're going to be making another recipe from Eat Plants Be. We're going to be making Pinky's Spinach Artichoke Dip. Let's get started. Alright, so this was a highly requested recipe. Y'all can't see, focus, but we are hoping that this is the same vegan spinach artichoke dip that's in Costco. Fingers crossed. Y'all, I'm so excited. Let's just get into it. Let's just get into it. So this was not a cheap recipe, okay? This was not a cheap recipe to make at all, okay? Because it has vegan cheeses. And she said she used a Monterey Jack, y'all. I could not find it. I'm going to show you which one I used, but I couldn't find just a straight Monterey Jack vegan cheese. So let me know in the comments where I can get that from, because I went to Whole Foods, Sprouts, and Kroger. I didn't try Walmart because why? They ain't got it. So let me know if y'all know where to get that from. Recipe calls for 10 ounces of cream cheese, but I wasn't going to buy a whole other container. This is 8 ounces, so this is what we going to do. So we already wrong. We don't have 10 ounces of cream cheese. But hey, this has come to room temperature, by the way. So that's that on that. Next is a half cup of vegan mayo. It calls for a half a cup of vegan sour cream. I did a little above half a cup since we were 2 ounces short on the cream cheese. Next is 6 ounces of marinated artichokes. I do have to cut these up. This is 12 ounces, so I guess we're only gonna be using half of this. What am I gonna do with another 6 ounces? Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the extra 6 ounces of marinated artichokes, but I gotta figure something out. So you just not gonna open? Come on now, don't be difficult. This will be a simple video. Oh, I really can't get it open. Okay, what's the tips? Bang, bang, right? You bang on the counter. Okay, bang, bang, bang. Okay, come on, here we go. Look at God. Okay, I'm gonna cut the camera again because y'all wanna see me cut it? Y'all don't wanna see me cut. We'll speed it up just in case somebody really wants to see me chop these up, all right? I think what I'm gonna do is just do a cup of the artichokes, just to just keep the recipe simple. Like, how else am I gonna know 6 ounces? Not Erin, I don't know. So we're gonna do a cup of the artichokes. All right, this is where the mystery comes into play, because again, I didn't know what she used for Monterey Jack cheese, but this is a queso fresco and Monterey Jack cheddar combination. I never tried this before. I think it was like $6 and something, baby. Like I said, this recipe ain't cheap. All right, so it says 2 cups, which I'm pretty sure is this whole thing, so we shall see. Yeah, it's the whole thing. I am using Daya. I thought about getting Miyoko's, y'all, but it says shredded, so I'm assuming she didn't use that one. I don't know. Now it says a half a cup of dry onions, so I got some dry onions from the farmer's market. Next is 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, which is a healthy amount. Can't go wrong. This is not salt, so it don't matter if you go over. 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I like black pepper. And then finally, 1/2 a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Again, y'all know me. I'm going in. Okay, we're supposed to mix, y'all. That's supposed to be it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. I have my Eat Plants Biatch spoon that I was gifted. Let's mix it. Oh my gosh, the spinach. Oh my gosh, I'm tripping. Oh, well, we can go ahead and mix this anyway. We are not done, y'all. We need the spinach and the spinach artichoke. I'm like, why it ain't green? Y'all, I was so serious. Like, how come it ain't green? We didn't put the spinach in. I'm like, we done. Ain't no... What is spinach? Where's the spinach? I skipped. It says 1 10-ounce. I don't know how I skipped that. Okay, I'm so sorry, y'all. Okay, let's get into... I was like, we're done. Where's this? And it's right here. It's right here on the table. Okay, so sorry. This is 8 ounces. You're supposed to use 10 ounce. I'm just wrong, okay? This is an 8 ounce bag. It says we're supposed to frozen chopped spinach, defrosted and drained. So I'm gonna take this out, squeeze it. I'll show y'all. I think I am gonna pop this in the microwave just so it can, like, cause it is still a little cold. So I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for like 10 seconds. You gonna see the microwave went behind me. Alright, so yeah, let's go put this on the plate. Because although I had it sitting out for like at least 15 minutes, it's still, I can't squeeze it, okay? I cannot squeeze it. Let's do 15 seconds. We'll just dance while we wait. That didn't do nothing. 15 more seconds. Hit it with the 30. Hit it with the 30. Why does frozen spinach take so long to defrost? Where we at now? I don't know what's happening. We're just gonna say we're doing a minute right now. Let's not do the math. Put it on a whole minute. Frozen spinach is not to be played with. She is tough. Resilient. I really do want some more spinach in here though. I ain't gonna lie to you, because I mean, it is a little skimpy. And I honestly think, depending on the taste, I think I'm gonna add the rest of the artichokes in here. What am I gonna do with it? What am I gonna do with half a jar of artichokes? I can't make my crab cakes. And that's all I've ever done with artichokes, to be quite honest. We are ready for the taste test. I'm excited. I know y'all excited. Let's get into it. This is just my bowl for the thumbnail, but I mean, I'm just gonna eat out of this bowl right here. Alright, so here we go, taste test. I also don't have tortilla chips. I have Ritz crackers, so I wasn't gonna, listen, breathing is expensive. I already had Ritz crackers at home, so we got Ritz crackers instead of tortilla chips. That's all right. You judging me, and I don't appreciate it. But I also see you who also feel the same way as me. Amen. Alright, let's eat. Stop talking. Here we go. That is so good. This is good. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had, not to my knowledge, the dry onions. Oh, she done messed up now. This $1,000 dip is hitting. I really like it. It's a hit. I don't know if I said it earlier. Let me chew. My mama raised me better. I don't know if I said it earlier, but I got that Monterey Jack from Sprouts, because I know somebody gonna ask me. Well, ooh, look at me. Sorry, ain't nothing else to say, y'all. Nothing else to say. Let me go run and see if my mama want to try it. Hold on, just in case y'all want a second opinion from a non-vegan. Okay, I'm back. She had never had it before. I could tell it wasn't her thing. Like, she was like, what's the chunks? Girl, artichokes. But she was like, it's not bad. But I could imagine if you never had it before, she can't compare it. So she wanted a good taste test. So I'm telling y'all right now, it's delicious. Okay, but I do think I'm gonna add the rest of my artichokes in there. Cause what I'm gonna do with them? I'm gonna plate this up real pretty. But y'all make this, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.